In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Steam no connection error in just 5 minutes. If you're experiencing issues connecting to Steam, follow along and we'll get you back online and gaming in no time. First, let's start by locating your Steam app icon on your desktop or in your start menu. Once you've found it, go ahead and right click on that icon. This action is going to bring up a context menu with several options. From here, you'll want to select Properties, which should be one of the last options in the menu. Doing so will open a new window that contains various settings and configurations for the Steam app. Once you're in the Properties window, switch over to the Compatibility tab. You'll find it along the top of the window. This particular tab allows us to modify how the Steam app runs on your system, specifically under different Windows compatibility settings. In this tab, you'll want to focus your attention on the option that says Run this program as an administrator. Go ahead and check the box next to this option. This step is crucial because running Steam with administrative privileges often resolves connectivity issues by allowing the app more freedom to execute necessary tasks. After you've made this change, apply the settings by clicking Apply and then confirm everything by selecting OK. That will close out the Properties window and save your changes. The next step is to completely exit out of Steam. You can do this by right-clicking on the Steam icon in your system tray and selecting Exit to ensure it's fully closed. Now go ahead and reopen Steam. You should be prompted to log back in, so enter your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, click on the Steam menu located at the top left corner of the application window. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Settings. This section allows us to fine-tune some of Steam's features. In the Settings window, locate the Downloads tab. This is where we'll perform a crucial step to resolve that pesky connection error. In the Downloads section, there is an option to clear download cache. Click on this, as clearing the cache often helps refresh the application and resolve any connection problems you're encountering. Clearing the cache will prompt Steam to restart itself. Don't worry, this is completely normal. After it restarts, the Steam no connection error should be a thing of the past, and you'll be able to enjoy uninterrupted access to your games and the rest of the platform's features. Thanks for sticking with me through these steps. I hope your issue is resolved. If it is, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Happy gaming!